Hey guys, it's me again, Ben from Freedom. Just wanted to show off another beautiful bathroom that we've done. Now this one here, it's an ensuite bathroom, so it's off the bedroom. It has the walk-in robe, so through that door into the walk-in robe, this door through into the bedroom, and through the window out to the water. Look at that, how beautiful is that, eh? Now what this bathroom was, a big built-in spa bath here that took up a lot of room. It was actually too big to fill. The vanity went over across it. There was only a little bit of space in the middle here. Such a beautiful room. So we wanted to create more space. So this is what we did. We put in a freestanding bath. That's all you need. You've got all this space over here. You can put a laundry basket, whatever you need to over here. 1500 double vanity, his and hers. That's all you need. And a nice mirror with a LED lights in it. You can see they go off and on. This has also got a demister, which heats up the glass. So when you're showering and you steam the room up, your glass you can still see how beautiful you are when you get out. But something else that's special in this mirror is it has Bluetooth. So you can put your favourite music on while you're having a shower, and you can control it by your phone. It's just a beautiful idea. And these mirrors aren't that expensive either. So this bathroom is a very special bathroom with the porcelain tiles, 600 by 600 rectified each. And it shows the quality of your tile when you can see these edges don't have any lips on it. This bathroom was tiled by a very experienced tiler. All our tilers are very experienced, and they produce a very quality bathroom. Have a look at that. Absolutely magnificent. Something very special about this toilet is it's got its own little remote control. Looks like a bit of an iPad, Samsung or something. So push the button, seat goes down. I walk up to it, the seat goes up. Look at that. And you lift the seat up so you don't have to touch the seat. Lift the seat up for the boys, go to the toilet. Now if you forget that, boys, you walk away, you're not going to get in trouble because it'll go down by itself. It's a good one. So they had men in mind, I think, for that, keep us out of trouble. But it's got all these other features too. It's got a washer, male clean, female clean. It's also got a blow dryer, so it gives you a bit of a dry too. There's also a massage function on there. Yeah, I've never tried it, haven't been on it to try it, but I can imagine how that would work. It'd be quite nice, pleasant, depending on the taste, I suppose. But just imagine yourself, sitting inside this bath with your bubbles, your glass of champagne, looking out to that view. That's beautiful. Look at that. All right, so what I'll do, I'll let you scroll around. There's a shower over there to have a look at as well. I'll let you scroll around with your little device and have a look and see what you think. I'll leave it to you. We've got another one we've done in this house. In a couple of days we'll come back and I'll show you that video when we finish that. Okay.